Hey, it's another little Wayne bite, just a little taste of this and that, and this is the Love and Flame Passion Glass Candle. Now, I'm not going to start promoting a bunch of stuff on my social media, but every now and then I may buy something that I like. You might want to buy it too. And if you do like it, that's great. If you don't like it, I won't be upset. No, really, I won't be upset. I would much rather you try one of my recipes or come on one of my architecture tours here in Chicago. But anyway, what I like about these candles is they have a stainless steel wick, which is proprietary to the product itself. It also uses a water-soluble, ethanol-free fuel, which is pretty cool because ethanol can flame up quite a bit more so than you really want it to. What's cool about that is it ends up being smokeless and odorless, which I like very much as well, so you can use it indoors and outdoors. And the way the glass is designed around the flame, it takes a lot of wind to actually blow it out, which works really well on a windy day. Well, you can buy one of these or two of these. You can also buy the stands that go with them, and when you assemble them, they look like this, and you can move these together, a little nicer together like that. But you can also take them off the stand and add them to your own home decor. And like I said, they're beautiful inside and outside. Whatever your decor is, I think they'll work really well. Now, if you want to see the unboxing of this product, just hang on and keep watching this video. If you want to jump off right now and get more information on the product, I've provided links right here in this post. If you don't see a link, just go to my website at WayneBites.com. I provided all the information you need to find out more about this product. Anyway, I hope you enjoy these. If not, no worries. Just kidding. Each one of these candles comes packaged separately, and there's only 3 main items that are going to be wrapped inside each box, plus the instruction manual. So when you open it up, you're going to find the glass cylinder. That's going to be the first thing you pull out. The second is the candle assembly, and then lastly is actually the base. And then there's a simple little instruction manual as well. So as you unwrap everything, first you're going to unwrap the base. The base is very simple. Then the glass cylinder is nicely wrapped as well. And then lastly, it's going to be the candle assembly, which contains a base for the fluid, as well as the stainless steel wick, which has a nice little piece of paper protecting it. Now, to assemble everything, you're going to take a look at the wick there. It has a stainless steel wick, as I mentioned before. It just sits inside of the base, and then the little cylinder goes around it. Now, this is the fluid that comes along with it. To actually get a flame going, you're going to take out that stainless steel wick. There, stainless steel on the bottom. And you're going to take your fluid, you're going to pour that into the container below. There's a fill line that tells you where to stop. Then you're going to set the wick back inside. And then to get everything going initially, you're supposed to pour a little bit of that fluid on top of the wick as well, sort of a primer. And then clean away any of the excess as well. Get that out of the way. And then just take a butane lighter and just simply light it. It takes a few seconds to get it started initially. But once it goes pretty long without anything sort of interrupting it, not even the wind. And there you go. Now, to assemble the stands, if you want to buy them, you can buy them separately or as part of a complete package, but they're simply the base, the stems, and then screws that go along with it. Comes with an instruction manual as well, that's right there. But there's 4 main elements in the package. They're the 2 stems, the base, and the screws, which are kind of hidden away here. I'll show you those in a second. But with the stems, you're going to take the stems and just unwrap them. Nice and sturdy. 2 of those. Then you've also got the bases. There's 2 bases that are wrapped together in this package container here. Got base number 1 right there, and base number 2. And then it comes with 4 screws and 4 washers. They're actually, in this situation, attached to the instruction manual, so I peel those apart. Then you'll sort of separate those into individual screws and washers, and you're good to go. To assemble it, you just take a screw and a washer, you put it through the base, and then you attach it to one of the stems. And a screwdriver is a nice thing to have. In my situation, just to put this together, I use one of the other washers to tighten the screws up, but having a screwdriver is a good thing. And you don't want to overly tighten these things. That'll sometimes damages things when you over tighten them. And then you're going to take the base itself, remove the candle assembly, and then take the base itself and take another screw and another washer, go from the top down into the stem. And once again, a screwdriver is a good thing to have. I'm just going to tighten that up, and once it's tightened, you're all set. You're going to put the base back inside, the candle itself, and then put the glass on top of that. And you're good to go. Now these, again, they're so beautiful on the outside, they're beautiful on the inside. They really make a stunning addition to your home, and I think you're really going to enjoy them. So let me know what you think. Thumbs up, thumbs down, something you might want to add to your house? I'd love to hear your comments. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.